Assalamu alaikum kids. I'm Rabia and this is your maths period. Today we are writing counting from 1 to 50. Let's start. We are starting counting from 1, right? 1. What comes after 1? 2. What comes after 2? 3. What comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. What comes after 5? 6. What comes after 6? 7. What comes after 7? 8. What comes after 8? 9. And what comes after 9? 1, 0, 10. And 1, 0, 10, we will write 1 in the tens box and 0 below the 9. 1, 0, 10. Now come to the next line. What comes after 10? 1, 0, 10. 1, 1, 11. Right? This one in this box, tens box, and unit 1. 1, 1, 11. And what comes after 1, 1, 11? 1, 2, 12. And what comes after 1 to 12? 1, 3, 13. What comes after 1, 3, 13? 1, 4, 40. What comes after 1, 4, 14? 1, 5, 15. And what comes after 1, 5, 15? 1, 6, 16. And what comes after 1, 6, 16? 1, 7, 17. And what comes after 1, 7, 17? 1, 8, 18. And what comes after 1, 8, 18? 1, 9, 19. And what comes after 1, 9, 19? 2, 0, 20. We will write 2 in the tens box and 0 below the 9. Okay. Now come to the next line. What comes after 2, 0, 20? 2, 1, 21. We will write 2 in the tens box and 1 in the unit box. 2, 1, 21. What comes after 21? 22. 2, 2, 22. What comes after 22? 2, 3, 23. What comes after 23? 2, 4, 24. What comes after 24? 2, 5, 25. What comes after 25? 2, 6, 26. What comes after 26? 2, 7, 27. What comes after 27? 2, 8, 28. What comes after 28? 2, 9, 29. And what comes after 29? 3, 0, 30. And we will write 3 in the tens unit, tens box, and 0 in the unit box. Okay. Now come to the next line. What comes after 3, 0, 30? 3, 1, 31. We will write 3 in the tens box and 1 in the unit box. 3, 1, 31. What comes after 3, 1, 31? 3, 2, 32. What comes after 3 to 32? 3, 3, 33. What comes after 33? 3, 4, 34. What comes after 34? 3, 5, 35. What comes after 35? 3, 6, 36. What comes after 36? 3, 7, 37. What comes after 37? 3, 8, 38. What comes after 38? 39. 39. And what comes after 39? 40. 40. We will write 4 in the tens box and 0 below the 9. Okay, now come to the next line. What comes up after 40, 40? 41, 45, 41. We will write 4 in the tens box and 1 in the unit box. 41, 41. What comes after 41? 42, 42. What comes after 42? 43, 43. What comes after 43? 4, 4, 44. What comes after 44? 4, 5, 45. What comes after 45? 4, 6, 46. What comes after 46? 4, 7, 47. What comes after 47? 4, 8, 48. What comes after 48? 4, 9, 49. And what comes after 49? 50, 50. And we will write 5 in tens box and 0 below the 9. Okay students, today we write counting from 1 to 50. Again read with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 50. That's all for today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.